Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As you all know that Eid is near, so I have been doing Eid shopping from last few days and I thought of doing a shopping haul. I did Eid shopping and I also did some casual shopping after so many visits to malls. So it's going to be a mix of everything and you will see a complete shopping haul which includes the Eid stuff too. Now let's start the video as I'm so excited to share everything with you all and stay with me till the end. First, I'll show you the unstitched dress which I bought from Nishat Linen. It's a three-piece digital printed lawn. It has a very beautiful silk dupatta. I bought this because of the black color. I felt that I don't have any black dress and also this print attracted me so much. It's also having an embroidered fabric and the price is 180 dirhams. This one is also three-piece and the price is also the same. It's the complete opposite of previous one. The color looks so fresh and is going to look so good in summer. It has this white embroidered shirt with white trouser and this colorful chiffon dupatta. I always buy dresses with silk or chiffon dupattas because they are very lightweight and you feel comfortable. I don't like the cotton ones. Next, I got these sandals from Deichmann. The design speaks for itself. You can see how gorgeous it looks. It's very comfortable. The heel has this average size. It also had black color, but it was looking prettier in this one. I got it at a very good price, 59 dirhams. It was for 119 before. By chance, I got it in sale and it will match both the dresses. I got this handbag which is from College Spring. They had so many designs and I was so confused. Then I ended up with this one. The color combination and design is so good. Let me show you from inside. It can be used as a shoulder bag too. And the good thing is that it's very spacious. There are so many pockets inside. I like to organize my stuff and this is just perfect for me. It's for 239 dirhams. Let's see what I got from Max. Actually, I went there to buy a mobile pouch. It had so many colors, but I liked the lilac one. I wanted a bigger one, and this is the right size for my phone. You can carry it with this strap, and you can also keep it in a bag. It's very affordable, only for 29 dirhams. Let's have a look on some unplanned shopping. They have a section of part sale, and I love to check that out. I got some more shoes. I have a craze for footwear. These pointed toe slingback are only for 30 dirhams. They look so cute and fancy at the same time. This can be worn with all types of dresses. Next, I got these white slides. They are super comfortable. I prefer flats for going for shopping. It suits with every casual outfit, perfect for summers, and it's very much in trend these days. These are only for 30. Then I found this shirt only for 20. The fabric is so soft. Even the print is pretty. I was not having this color in my wardrobe. It can be worn with white pants, skirt, jeans, so I really liked it. Next, I bought some stuff from Max Home section. They have really very nice collection these days. I bought these trays as I couldn't resist. This one has a pattern which is so in trend. Even this one is very attractive. The quality is so good and these are for 15 dirhams each. I also got this room spray. Suddenly I realized that mine is about to finish, so I bought this one to try. The scent is soft linen. It's floral and not too strong. I don't like strong fragrances for room. I also use scented candles, but along with that, I use this for instant freshness. Also, the quantity is so good and it's for 15 dirhams. Let's see how it goes. Next, I'll show you what I got from Centrepoint. I was looking for a nice floral mug, so I got this one. I like collecting different types of mugs and this is quite cute. It says feeling home. I find bigger mugs more attractive and this has the perfect size. The price is 29 dirhams. I was passing by Flormer and I just couldn't resist. Flormer has some really new cool nail colors. I grabbed this one. It's for 15 dirhams. The shade is misty pink and it looks so pretty. It will go with all outfits. I also got this eye pencil. The texture is so good and long lasting. It doesn't smudge. The shade is 101 Black Ice. Now I'll show you some skincare products from Body Shop. This is my usual vitamin E moisture cream from the Body Shop. This is my essential for life. It's for 76. It keeps my skin so hydrated. Then here is this Body Shop vitamin E eye cream. Mine is about to finish, so I got this too. This is really good for puffy and tired eyes. Then I got some more products from Life Pharmacy. This is the Sukin Signature Revitalizing Facial Scrub. I still have to try it. The price is 48 dirhams. Then I got this Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner. It's also for 48. I wanted to try these products from a long time because they are natural. I'll be sharing the detailed review on these soon on my channel. Next is this Eveline Cosmetics Hyaluronic Micellar Water. It's a great makeup remover and it doesn't make my skin dry. It's for 36. Then here are these cod liver oil soft gels from Sunshine Nutrition. They are a part of my routine and they are really very good for hair and skin. You can also try them as there are no side effects. The price is 34 dirhams. Now I'll show you my favorite perfume which I got from Arabian Oud. It's called Tender. The scent is very attractive and elegant. It's a mix of rose, musk and sandalwood. It's really very long lasting. The price is 350 dirhams, but nowadays it's on sale. It's for 221. Who doesn't love Bath and Body Works? They had really good sales starting from 19 dirhams, so I grabbed all these for 25 dirhams each. This one is the Cotton Blossom Fragrance Mist. It has a floral and elegant scent. Then this is the Golden Sunflower Body Lotion. It has a scent of vanilla and I really like vanilla scents. This one is Forever Red Body Lotion from their signature collection. This has always been my favorite. I keep changing and adding new stuff to my home. So I went to IKEA and found this pendant lamp. It's going to give a pleasant atmosphere for dining. It's for 149 dirhams. Then I got this wall clock for one of the rooms. It looked quite decent. The best thing is that this clock is without the tick-tock. The price is 59. I also wanted to buy a mirror and some candles, but they were out of stock. They were only having the vanilla candle, which I already have. Anyways, I will visit again. Last but not the least, I got these sunglasses from Aldo Accessories. These are really very stylish and perfectly tinted. The price is 79 dirhams. It's a new addition to my collection. So guys, that was all for my Eid shopping haul. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Give it a big like if you loved it. Also, please comment down below your views on my shopping and let me know which items did you like from my haul. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell button too so you get notified about my latest uploads. Share my video with your friends too. Thank you so much for watching. See you all soon. Take good care and stay blessed.